Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best VPN for PUBG. So there are tons of VPNs that you can use for playing, but today I'm going to introduce to you this NordVPN, and to get this you just have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, search for NordVPN and install. And in order for you to log in, you must have your account. So you can click the sign up. But if you have your account already, just click login. So why use this NordVPN for playing PUBG Mobile? Choosing NordVPN for PUBG Mobile offers several advantages that enhance both security and performances. So here are the reasons why you should choose NordVPN. First, it reduces lag and lower ping. So NordVPN's extensive network of high-speed servers can help you connect to regions with better ping. Number two, access to geo-restricted servers. So some PUBG Mobile servers may be restricted based on your location. With NordVPN, you can connect to different regions, giving you access to exclusive game content or less crowded servers. Number three, protection from DDoS attacks. So in competitive gaming, distributed denial of service attacks are common. So NordVPN shields your IP address, preventing malicious users from targeting you and causing disruptions. Next is security on public Wi-Fi. So if you play PUBG Mobile on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN encrypts your data. And lastly, privacy and anonymity. So NordVPN hides your real IP address and offers top-tier encryption. So if you want NordVPN, check description for links to pricing and discounts on these VPNs. Just go to the link description down below. And that's it. I hope you like this video. See you again in our next video tutorials.